The following footage provides an overview of the Armaflex cryogenic system. It shows an LNG loading facility where Armaflex was used to replace a cellular glass system that had failed and showed icing during operation. The Armaflex cryogenic system is based on two types of Armaflex elastomeric foam, each specifically designed for sub-zero operating temperatures. The system's base material is a blue-colored foam known as Armaflex Ltd. The system's outer layers are comprised of a more traditional dark grey or black-coloured Armaflex insulation. The Armaflex cryogenic system is based on Armacel's long history in the development of polymer foam, which originated when it first invented Armaflex in the 1950s. Over the past decades, Armacel has expanded its range to include numerous industrial products which are now proven on large industrial and petrochemical facilities around the world. A key benefit of Armaflex is its ease of installation. These flexible products are easily fitted to curved and complex shapes. The material can be cut to shape on site without release of fibers or dust into the surrounding environment. Material can also be prefabricated and pre-cut before arriving at site, ensuring speed of installation on projects with difficult time constraints. The Armaflex cryogenic system can be installed quickly. It does not require additional vapor barriers, and nor does it require the use of alternative materials at contraction or expansion joints. These features greatly differentiate the Armaflex system from traditional rigid insulation material that is commonly used for cryogenics. Armaflex materials have a high resistance to water vapor, making them reliable low-temperature insulation. Armaflex does not need to be sealed with an external vapor barrier, reducing the complexity of the insulation system and avoiding the time needed to fulfill this function. Armaflex Systems offers an important advantage when it comes to expansion and contraction. The traditional rigid insulation often requires the use of fiber-based materials at longitudinal joins to provide a buffer against contraction and expansion. In place of this, Armaflex is simply fitted under compression at these joins. The low-temperature flexibility of Armaflex Ltd then provides an inherent mechanism for movement that occurs during thermal contraction of pipes. The Armaflex cryogenic system is a multi-layer composite designed for temperatures down to -200 degrees Celsius. The inner layer is comprised of Armaflex Ltd, a blue-coloured foam that was specifically designed for its excellent mechanical properties at cryogenic temperatures. These properties include low-temperature flexibility to minimize thermal stress. The outer layers are built from more traditional Armaflex elastomeric foam. These deliver excellent thermal performance at the best possible cost and give the system a high resistance to water vapor. To reduce the need for excessive layers, both Armaflex Ltd and traditional Armaflex foams are provided in thicknesses up to 50 millimeters. For small pipe sizes, Armaflex Ltd is also available in pre-formed pipe sections. The Armaflex cryogenic system also provides the ideal base for acoustic insulation. The flexibility of Armaflex provides acoustic isolation of any noise control layers that are fitted over the thermal system. Armacel is the first manufacturer to introduce a thermal acoustic system for cryogenics that is based on flexible elastomeric foam. This utilizes Armasound industrial systems, which can offer a significant reduction in weight and thickness compared to many traditional systems. Insulation of bends, tees and complex shapes is typically a time-consuming process, particularly with rigid materials such as cellular glass. More importantly, these complex areas require greater attention to ensure all seams are closed and vapor barriers are continuous. Armaflex materials are ideally suited to these more difficult areas. Often, the insulation can be fitted with a small number of joins. Since joins are an area of risk for any material, the ability to limit joins is a significant advantage for the system's long-term performance. As part of its service service offering, Armacell can provide on-site training to installation teams. This provides ongoing assurance that the best work practices are in place to deliver the most secure installation. The insulation of cryogenic facilities is demanding of both materials and installers. Not only are there rigorous performance requirements, but there are strict time constraints and facility operators are increasingly concerned with environmental impact. Armaflex systems are designed to meet the varying needs of installers, designers and operators. In particular, they fulfill the need to provide a low-risk system that offers ease of handling and ease of maintenance. Armaflex systems are inherently shockproof. The low-temperature flexibility of Armaflex Ltd provides protection from thermal shock. In comparison, traditional cryogenic insulation is rigid, and rigid foams may show crack propagation from repeated freeze-thaw cycles. Shock protection also applies to mechanical impact. With Armaflex systems, the layers of flexible foam will absorb the energy from any structural impact, broadly dispersing the energy away from point of impact and avoiding the stress concentration that may occur in rigid foam. Armaflex Ltd is well suited to large thermal shifts expected from both facility operation and the cleaning of process piping. Armaflex Ltd is heat resistant to 125 degrees Celsius, providing the necessary tolerance expected during pipe cleaning with pressurized vapor or hot fluids. Regardless of cryogenic application, from LNG terminals to ethylene production, the Armaflex cryogenic system can provide a reliable and cost-effective solution to thermal insulation. It is backed by Armacell's global reach, with a total of 18 production plants in 12 countries on 4 continents. Armacell is headquartered in Münster, Germany, and has sales representatives, technical consultants, and application specialists located throughout the world to support its business partners.